Hi guys, today we are going to a beautiful place, and these are the trees, flowers and cars. See, look, there's so many bushes. Over here it was bushfires. Look, the trees are burned, but now it's growing. Look, I'm walking. Look, my brother is walking with me. Look, this is the sign. Look, this is the mountain. There's so many of mountains. Nice mountain. And it's so foggy. I feel so fresh and happy. See, it's very foggy. It's so windy. Look, it's cloudy. It's a lovely view and I feel fresh. Even I feel excited. There are so many trees at the floor of the mountain. Look, this is a eating place. If someone hungry, then they can eat here. See, there's tables, chair. Look, the trees are black and thin. Look, there's so many things here. There's trees, mountain. Look at the mountains. They're so lovely. I love them. See? It's a beautiful place and it's so nice. Look, some trees are thin. Now you can see the mountains so far because we drive so far from the mountain. Look at the clouds. It's a little bit windy. Look, you can see the mountains closely. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. And press the bell button. I wish you had fun. Thank you.